So what we're doing here is we are celebrating our very first graduation for Grace Family Love. We have 3 girls that have actually finished our 12-month program. So this is an opportunity for us to come together and celebrate them as we kind of launch them into their independence.
This celebration, we feel, is such a big announcement to the community, something where in this season so much hope is needed. And the fact that these 3 women were able to go through the program and successfully complete in their first graduation, I find that to be so important for the work that's ahead for GFL.
I hope that when people leave tonight, they just see how amazing these girls are. They are overcomers, and I just hope that they see what the GFL home is doing is truly impacting the lives of these girls and so many more that are coming up behind them.
A lot of times people give or donate or contribute, volunteerism, all those things, but they don't really get to see the outcome. So I'm hoping that they walk away and see that there is an impact for their support, their donation, and their volunteerism.
So I had the opportunity to be the program director for Grace Family Love early on in the early stages, and it was a wonderful opportunity to experience both the difficulty of starting an organization, but also seeing just the heart behind it. And Joe and Vanessa have a great big part between the 2 of them. Even though I'm on the outside now as just an attendee, it was wonderful to see it from the inside and experience it from the beginning. So I'm here for the ride.
We want to say thank you for supporting us, and that table that's in that corner over there, every single girl that's there, one of you guys, some way, shape, or form, have supported us to help love them. And so this is just a way for us to be the body of Christ and just to break bread together. And so we just want to thank you guys for being here.